This year, during the Made in Your Own Backyard event, founded by the Crystal Lake Chamber of Commerce and sponsored by both the Crystal Lake and Cary Grove Chambers of Commerce, District 155 partnered with thriving businesses in the area to inspire a new generation of manufacturers. 88 students and parents from all 4 high schools, as well as our feeder districts, gathered to visit local manufacturing companies. They saw firsthand the many opportunities in manufacturing while learning about the relevant coursework that District 155 provides. With the help of local businesses, students and parents alike were able to explore all that this diverse field has to offer.
Most kids in today's world are focused towards going to college, and we as America need people in trades, and this is a great way to expose them to that.
We took a bus from South High School to a manufacturing building, and we walked around in a big circle around a lot of machines and stuff, and they showed us stuff they had recently built and stuff they've been using for a long time.
I want to sign up for it because I'm taking CNC right now, and I really think the machines are cool and I want to learn more about them, but I also want to see them in action because right now I'm just learning how to work them, so I want to see them.
I didn't know locally that actually they make such really big products like this, so it was really cool.
To me, I think it was to see the enjoyment on the young boys and girls and the exposure to what really happens in this world. My son on the last tour said, oh, that's a little screw. And I said, well, how do you think screws are made? Here's a perfect example. I think that type of exposure lets our younger generation understand that not everything is a cell phone and not everything comes in a package at the store. Somebody has to make it. And I would just encourage them to give it a try. Dress up nice, use your manners, go apply for a job. And you'd be surprised who may hire you.